First and foremost, Happy New Year's Eve, everybody, and please be safe tonight. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday, and this week we are in Ashburn, Virginia, actually One Loudoun, Ashburn, Virginia, at the Lost Fox. Before we even get into this, I just want to say thank you guys for all the support on our Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube, all the Virginia is for Grubbers platforms, all the support that we've had throughout 2021. We have a lot of new, exciting stuff for 2022 that we can't wait to announce. First and foremost, king of the old-fashioned hoodies on fleek, but let's jump into it. Now, before we even jump into this old-fashioned Friday review, I do want to give a disclaimer. I've done a lot of work at the Lost Fox. I actually shot the wedding of the owners of the Lost Fox. So if you think my review is going to be biased, it's not, but I could see if you do think that. But I'm just going to put that out there because I'm not trying to BS anybody. You guys know how this works. It's 0 through 3 on appearance, 0 through 3 on first sip, 0 through 3 on overall taste, and 0 through 1 on overall ambiance of the entire restaurant. This is my #1 go-to spot in the entire state of Virginia. I come here more than any other place. So we'll do the ambiance first. It's gonna get a full 1. Obviously, I come here more than any other place, so it's a full 1. Let's jump into the appearance. Decent sized glass, single cube, not the clear ice, but still single cube nonetheless. They got a Luxardo cherry, beautiful orange peel, and they even have the little Lost Fox logo on here. I think that's kind of like a plus, almost like a stamp on the ice. Clear ice, they're looking at probably $2.95. No clear ice. I'm gonna give them some bonus points because of the Lost Fox logo. I think that's dope. I think I'm gonna go 2.75. And here we go, first sip. Unbelievably smooth. Again, this is why I come here on a regular basis. They're using a Woodford bourbon, price point of $13. Unbelievably smooth. Wouldn't expect anything less. I've had probably a million of these here, and the quality is always top notch. Not only is the cocktails top notch, the food here is actually on a whole different level. I'll put the chef here up against pretty much any chef in Loudoun. But that's just unbelievably smooth, man. It's gonna sound biased, I get it, but trust me, if you come here, this is what I say is what you're gonna get. This is as close to as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna go 2.95 off first sip, and here we go overall. Luxardo cherry, best part. Beautiful. Extremely consistent from the first sip to the last sip. Again, with that single cube, massive single cube, that's what you're gonna get. And this is why I come here on a regular basis for the 15th time. This is as good as it's gonna get, super consistent. I think if they have the clear ice, the score remains the same of 2.95. Without the clear ice, it could, affect the flavor a little bit with the ice cube melting a little faster. So I'm gonna go 2.85. I really don't wanna do that math. I'm pretty sure I did like a .5 on 3 out of the 4 scores. So I have zero memory of where we're at, but I'll add it up in post. Happy New Year's Eve. Please be safe. Don't do anything stupid. Right here, Ashburn, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.